Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to quickly unbox and kind of review like this smart body scale that I got. So this is it right here. Super cool. I got it in white. They have different colors available, which I love. They have white and black. And what else? Oh, I also noticed this, which is pretty cool because I have all like the really old scales, but this one, how cool is that? You can scan it to get an app because we use apps for everything nowadays, and it's just easier to keep track of like your progress and everything. So definitely appreciate that it has the app, and we're gonna do the unboxing portion right now.
So here is the scale. I love the packaging, and it says on here all the different things that the scale can measure. So I'm going to be talking about that pretty soon. But yeah, I'm pretty excited because I've never tried a smart scale before, especially one like how, this one comes with the app. So I think that's really cool. So I love that. And I love the packaging. The scale comes really well secured and safe. And I love that they even included batteries because sometimes, when I get packages in the mail, and there isn't any batteries, and sometimes I have to hope that I happen to have some batteries in my closet. So I love that because I wanted to try this skill right away. Now I don't have to go look for batteries, make sure I have some in stock. And yeah, so I'm gonna add the batteries in here, and we're gonna talk some more about the skill.
Here is my brand new scale. I already put the batteries in it and everything. I got to play around with it, and I'm gonna show you guys the app. So let me go ahead. I'm gonna do a quick screen recording, that way you guys can see what I'm seeing. So so this is my home screen, and I downloaded the app. So here's the app, and then you can just add like your weight and everything. So I'm doing it pounds, inches. So you just sign up and you create your password. Obviously I'm not going to show this part where I create my password and all that. Female, and your name and everything. I love it because this is personalized to you. And yes, I am very, very short. Who regularly exercise. So I do exercise regularly, so I would put that for me. Confirm. Health kit. Why not? I'll allow them all. I don't use a Fitbit. Looks good enough for me. Turn the Bluetooth on. And now I have to stand on my scale. So the cool thing about this scale, I wrote some things down because I want to make sure I don't miss anything. So when I do reviews like this, I like to give like the most accurate info. I don't want to give any misinformation. So I'm just going to read you guys some notes. Oh, also something that I did notice, which is a pretty cool detail, is that they did include the batteries in the box. I hate like when sometimes companies they won't include batteries in the boxes when you go buy stuff. So it's just easier, and it's just a little more thoughtful, that it comes with the batteries. I just noticed all the small details like that. And then something else that I like about it, so it does come with a 5-year warranty, comes with the app, comes with some instructions, and something also really cool is that it allows you to monitor your body weight, and it has 13 key fitness metrics to help you reach your goals faster. And it also comes, like I said, it comes with the app for both Android and iOS. It allows you to have an unlimited number of users, so everybody could track their progress. So it's really cool. You don't need to have one for each family member or each friend or whoever you are living with or anything. You guys can just all share one and just have a separate profile, which is pretty cool. I already know my family is going to want to be using this, so I got them with a scale. It also offers an easy-to-use interface that provides you with detailed body composition, which I love. I like to see all of the details. I like to track my progress that way. I like to see, where I want to do a little more work in. So it's really cool that you can see that. Plus, tracking your progress, I feel like that does help motivate you even more to reach your goals, whatever they may be. It also was designed here in SoCal, so Like, the design I think is pretty cool. I don't know, it kind of gives me like some futuristic vibes. Love it. Just like I said, I have like the old school scales that are just plain, they don't have an app or anything, and they're just, I don't know, they don't really catch my attention. But with this one, I get like a futuristic tech vibe. I love it. And something else that I like is that they do have like the 7-day real customer support. So if you need any help for any reason or have any questions, you can contact them, and they're super, super helpful like that. And like I said, they have a 5-year warranty, which is insane. Like 5 years is got me covered for a long time. So here's the box. I just want to show you guys here the complete body composition, which I think is so cool. So this is the one that I was talking about. Look at all of that you can track. So you can check your body weight, body mass index, your BMI, body fat, fat-free body weight, subcutaneous fat, visceral fat, body water, skeletal muscle, muscle mass, bone mass, protein, basal metabolism rate, and metabolic age. And like I said, all you do is get the app, sign up, and create a profile, and then you can connect it and you can start tracking. So love, love, love. Super easy to use. And I also saw that they have like different types of skills, which I thought was really cool. So I'm definitely looking into trying out some more products. Which I'm reading from here is, like we saw earlier from the little demo that I showed you guys on my phone, you can connect it to your Fitbit, and I love that because I don't use a Fitbit, I use a different kind of device, but I love that you can connect things like that, so all of like your health information can be in sync and work together. You can also connect it to Apple Health, which I have Apple, so I do have the Apple Health, and Google Fit. And there are tips here to help you track your results a little bit better. One quick tip is to weigh yourself in the morning, either daily or weekly, to get weight only before you start your day. And of course, there's other tips like remove all your clothing, your jewelry, test yourself in the same day under the same conditions, that stuff like that. So stepping on the scale with shoes, socks, or slippers will not allow for proper body composition, which of course that makes sense. And yeah, obviously I had to weigh myself with clothes on right now, but just wanted to try it out right now. But yeah, highly recommend. And like I said, I love that you only need one. If you want to do it like with your whole family or anything, definitely recommend. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.